We all like a good story, right? I've been working with runners for almost 10 years now. When the pandemic hit, I've since then, every single day, been dissecting, running my own experiments, trying to simplify this to the most basic concept, the most basic fundamentals for the sole purpose of teaching the masses. My Instagram, you'll see by this system how many people are running smarter, safer, and faster. I don't want to be the only one. I wanted to create this as a way to help the most amount of people. I can only help so many people with their mechanics. I wanted to create a systematic approach that every single time you know what to do. You know how to video them to get a baseline. You know how to classify them. Are they either efficient or inefficient? And if they're efficient, great, here's what to look for. Simple, basic. If they're not efficient, what do? We classify them. They're either going to be bounding or jumping while running, or they're going to be braking and slowing themselves down, overstriding. So not only that, it doesn't stop there. That's just the beginning. Once we classify somebody as those inefficient movement patterns, I tell you what to do. There's 3 steps. There are 3 steps to take the jump out. There are 4 steps to work on the proper posture, to allow momentum to continue to go forward with the least amount of slowing down or braking as possible. And the beauty of this, the beauty of a system is that you know what to do. That feeling of, man, where do I start? I don't know where to start. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to look for. I don't want to be the only one helping people run. I want to empower you. I temporarily left the profession because you and I both know there's no go-to standardized method for assessing and treating running mechanics. I felt called to do this. I want to make this so scalable that I can help the most amount of people, because if you're like me, you know running isn't just running, it's mental health, movement. Movement is medicine. We can make a difference. We can actually change the way people move, and I developed this to make it as fast as possible that you understand this. All the 10 years of me dissecting and breaking this all down, I can give you this all online. You don't have to go anywhere. It can all be available to you online. And you'll see, I spent so much time. I don't want to just put out courses. I want you to understand this. So with behavioral psychology, with different cues, with organizational psychology, where do we start? What's the process? By using mechanics, biomechanics, and the goal, the outcome of running, we can truly make a systematic approach, a cookbook, an instruction manual, a step-by-step how-to. And someday you won't need this. It'll be part of you. It'll be, I know what to do. I know how to capture people's running mechanics. I know how to classify them. And most importantly, I know what to do to correct. And you can feel good about using all your physical therapy skills in addition to going after the causation. Treat the cause and the symptoms, not just the symptoms. This is it.